Hello dear students. In our previous session, we have discussed the process of electrolysis. Also, we have seen the process of electrolysis of water. Now, in today's session, we'll be discussing the application of electrolysis, that is electroplating. You have seen around you that iron nails or the iron sheets gets rusted when they are exposed for a longer time to the water or to the moisture. But the metal water buckets and the metal water tankers does not get rusted when they are used for a long. Can you tell why? Well, the reason behind this is that the metal sheets which are used for metal tankers and the water buckets undergoes the process of electroplating. Isn't it very interesting? Let us see what do we mean by electroplating. Electroplating is the common application of electrolysis, the process of depositing a layer of any desired material on any other material by the means of electricity is called as electroplating. Or, in other words, we can say that when a metal or an alloy of metal is coated on another metal by the process of electrolysis, then this is called as electroplating. But now the question comes is, why do we require electroplating? Or what are the two reasons for electroplating of objects? Number one, to protect the metals against corrosion. And the second is the electroplating is done to produce the attractive articles. Let us understand the process of electroplating with the help of an example. As it is shown in the diagram that for electroplating we require a beaker with copper sulfate solution in it, a copper strip, a metallic spoon, battery and key. The battery positive terminal is connected to the copper strip and the metallic spoon is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Both copper strip and metallic spoon are dipped into the copper sulfate solution. When the electric current is passed through the solution, the copper from the copper strip is deposited on the object, that is, metallic spoon. So children, we have seen the method of electroplating over here, that the copper is deposited or a layer of copper is deposited over the metallic spoon. Now let us understand what actually has happened in this case. We'll see a different example for understanding the concept. In this example, we have taken a nickel metal plate and the spoon. The positive terminal of the battery is connected to the nickel plate and the negative terminal of the battery is connected to the spoon. Therefore, the nickel is anode and the spoon is cathode. We have dipped both nickel metal and the spoon in nickel sulfate solution. As we pass the electric current to the solution begins to dissociate. As a result, it will split into nickel ions and sulfate ions. Nickel ions are positively charged, whereas sulfate ions are negatively charged. Therefore, nickel ions will be attracted towards the negative terminal, that is towards the spoon. So nickel ion will drift towards the spoon and sulfate ions being negatively charged will drift towards the nickel plate. So we observe that A layer of nickel metal is deposited on the spoon. So children, I hope that this is much clear to you with the help of the second example as well. Now let us discuss some common applications of electroplating in various industries and various fields. Uses of electroplating. Electroplating is widely used in the industries like automobile, airplanes, electronics, jewelry, toys, etc. The other uses of electroplating are to give the metal objects a better appearance and attraction, such as jewelry, trophies, medals are coated with gold, silver, bronze, and rhodium. The bicycle handles are coated with chromium to give a luster and shiny appearance and also to make them scratch resistant. To protect the metal objects from corrosion or rust, iron plates used in ships which remains in contact with seawater are plated with zinc to prevent corrosion. Also, the tin cans used for the packaging are coated with the zinc over an iron sheet. So children, we have discussed some common applications in the industries and the other ways of electroplating. So in this today's session, we have discussed about the procedure for electroplating and its application. I hope children, these topics are much clear to you. Till then, stay tuned. Have a good day. Bye-bye.